Good day, my name is Colin Hendricks, and in this PowerPoint presentation, I will be explaining how I integrated ICT tools into a grade 1 lesson plan where the topic was water conservation. I used the Bloom's taxonomy to identify three learning objectives for the end of the lesson. So number one is understand, and at the end of the lesson, learners are able to explain in their own words why saving water is important. Number two is apply. So during interactive activities, learners are able to identify appropriate water saving habits. Analyze. At the end of the lesson, learners are able to distinguish between water wasting habits and water saving habits during an activity where they have to sort out images. So next is the phases of the lesson. So for the introduction, a YouTube video we played, an animated YouTube video where the language is simple and the message of saving or the importance of saving water is easily conveyed to a young group of students. Next is the development of the lesson. So they are required to complete a drag and drop activity, and then after the activity, they are to discuss what is happening in the pictures with their peers. And to conclude, they will do an interactive activity on Kahoot where they compete with each other and see who can get as many correct answers as possible. During my lesson, I use the SAM-R model to enhance the integration of ICT tools into the classroom. It stands for substitution. An example of this during my lesson was the YouTube video during the introduction, as it replaced traditional textbook explanation and teacher explanation, and was also beneficial for visual and audio learners. I stand for augmentation, and the drop and drag activity completed on Canva is an example of this, as it replaced printable worksheets, and the discussion afterwards also further enhanced learner engagement. M stands for modification, and the Kahoot activity completed on the Kahoot side further enhanced interactive activity between learners. R stands for redefinition. This activity was done for homework, as learners were asked to make a digital collage and upload it on the school's website and share it with other grade 1 learners. This created an authentic audience outside of the classroom. Therefore, it was redefined. So this integration of ICT tools into a lesson or into a classroom made me reflect on the role of a teacher. So teachers are not only supposed to be the center and give information, but rather facilitate the lesson and guide learners and help them to correct mistakes. And also reflect on the role of a learner, as learners are not only supposed to be passive during lessons, but they are supposed to actively participate in the lesson. So in my lesson, learners were asked to complete the worksheet and by forming groups of two and then discussing the lesson. So this highlights collaborative work within the classroom, and it enhances learner engagement. And learners ICT tools also enhance the learners understanding, as the YouTube video in the beginning improved for learners understanding, as there was a different form of learning that engaged them with visual and audio animation to convey the message of saving water. Therefore, in conclusion, ICT tools integration into the classroom is effective as it enhances learner engagement, participation, and understanding, while also supporting different styles of learning.